How to manage Ask Where to save files on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage Ask Where to save files on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this 3 points here in the top corner, and now click settings and then go down and click this one, downloads, and then click here. Here you can manage Ask Where to save files. If you want to turn it on, click on it and if you want to turn it off again, just one click, and that's it. It's easy of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.